That's all that gunk out of there. Whoa, it's bitty prick. It's bitty.
I find it strange we only have one center thing.
Well, good morning, peoples. So we got our head back, which is nicely stored in that box right there. That'll be a surprise for later, because first there's a lot of work to do before we can even think about installing it. So first thing to do is probably replace, well, mostly all the coolant hoses which we haven't replaced yet, and the coolant pipe beneath the exhaust manifold. And then we also need to clean the piston heads, clean the block here. We also got a new water pump, because that is still the one from the SKF kit we had. I'd say let's dig in.
It's right there.
This is one old hose clamp. I think this is the original one. Jesus. Wow. Oh God. I was not expecting it to come off that easy. This should come out pretty easy, I guess. I think that's it.
That is quite unfortunate. God damn it.
Are you serious right now?
Maybe that did the trick. Has the pump grown bigger?
Well, that is very unfortunate. But that is not coming out without removing the tensioner pulley, so let's remove that first. Tensioner pulley is out, now let's try again.
Let's take the other pulley off.
Really?
Yes, I think so.
That's that. Now, do you come out now? Easy. Okay, it's out.
I don't know if it broke on its own or we did that.
Oh well, we got a new one. Yeah, so this hose was giving me a lot of trouble. Shit. Oh, fuck. Well, that also got off way easier than I expected. So, the pipe should come off now. There's one bolt over here somewhere. There it is. Okay, it's out. Yay, that's it. Yep, it's coming. Yay! It's one old water pipe. Right, so 2 hoses left and then we'll get to doing some cleaning. Yep, that was it. Alright, that is out. So we already replaced these, so yeah, they are pretty much new. I'm gonna keep those. Right, this one as well. Well, that works flawlessly.
When it's new.
When it's new indeed. Good. Alright, now starts the, well, probably the shittiest job, but the most important one, which is cleaning everything. Okay, so according to what we read, that block should be cleaned with, we got some gasket remover, to clean the top of the block. The pistons itself, the top of them, we're gonna clean with WD-40, I guess, or something. At least we've read many people doing it that way. Of course, they do not need to be cleaned like 100%, but according to some, there could be hot spots on the top of the pistons with all the old stuff on there. So we're gonna clean them a little bit. They won't be as shiny as the head though, but yeah. Before we're gonna apply that, let's check out how that stuff comes out, because
no idea what to expect.
Okay, it's just like a spray.
So let this soak for 10 minutes,
Yep.
says on the bottle.
Okay, let's do that. Right, we got the head nice and smooth. I think it's time to clean the pistons. There was carbon residue on there, so we'll try and clean those a little bit. Yeah, we have to be careful though that nothing gets in between the piston and the cylinder itself. So let's see if we can do this. First things first, let's do a little sucking. Alright, now we're gonna put the first cylinder at top dead center, put a little grease around the edge, and then we'll start cleaning it with a WD-40 and some brake cleaner, and let's see if we can get rid of that carbon deposit. A little bit of oil on the cylinder walls won't be a bad idea. Alright, let's turn the crankshaft and see if we can lower piston number 1 a little bit and clean it off a little, then put it at TDC. Let's hope that nothing has gotten in between the piston and the cylinder wall. Alright, let's set it to TDC. Is that a little more? That's it, I guess. Yeah. Okay. Now we had a tip to put some grease in between there. Is that a good idea?
I don't know.
Should we do that? Should we not? Should we just start cleaning it now?
The dirt stays on the grease and then we clean the grease. So let's try it, let's see what happens.
Why is there a screw in there? To make sure nothing gets in the other cylinder. Yep. Now there were a lot of things we could use. Brake cleaner, WD-40, a mixture of carb cleaner and acetone, but we're gonna try with brake cleaner first. Well, it's doing something.
It's cleaner than before.
Yeah.
Let's continue.
Yeah, let's just keep at it.
Well, what did work best?
Right, everything is nice and clean again. Well, as clean as we can get it. So let's get rid of the old coolant in there.
Why isn't it holding pressure?
It's not a good seal.
It was new in the box.
Quality tools.
So move. Quick, 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 quick.
It's gonna take 10 hours like this. Oh, man. So we got the worst of that coolant out of there, but yeah, we need to get in deeper somehow. Maybe use an air compressor or something, because there is some really big chunks in there which we want to get out. So pretty nasty stuff flying out of there. Big chunks of this I think that's the liquid copper again. No. So this is definitely working. That's all that gunk out of there. Whoa, it's bitty prick. It's bitty.
Pretty big.
That's a pretty big chunks.
Stay here, you bastard.
Got him. Did anyone notice his haircut changed from this morning until now?
Frisch geschnitten, ja.
So while Richie is prepping the water pump for a new, while Richie is prepping Doomsday. So while Richie is prepping the area for the water pump to have a new gasket, I'm gonna be prepping the new coolant pipe. Right, got the new hoses here. Hose clamps, in case you need to know. Part numbers. We got a new water pump, which is the same brand as the original Volvo one. So bolts are in there, gasket is in here. All right, let's get that in there as well. So we noticed a fun little thing with these water pumps. The original Volvo one, this is the old one that was in the car when we first got it back, which we replaced for the SKF one. This is the other one. It's also, well, it was a original Volvo one. It's the same brand as the original one, which is both ISIN, but this doesn't say Volvo because they branded that out. So this $60 difference, yeah, it's explained by literally having a name or having no name. Yeah, come to think of it, this is even more work because now they have to grind the Volvo logo off. It's more work than leaving it on and whatever. Alright, now let's get these new coolant hoses in here.
New seal.
Exciting times.
Can you shine a light in the hole?
I'll shine a light in your hole. So when you're in that hole, just tell me when to push. It's looped, so I can shove it in.
It's ready to go.
Yeah? Okay, then I'll dim the lights.
You need to guide it.
Yeah, it's in.
Far enough?
I don't think it's in the rubber yet. Gently applying pressure if you just rock back and forth.
Oh,
Yeah!
That's too far.
Oh no. Okay, now
Some hoses.
let me first do this one, I think.
We got some new clamps for that also.
Yep, but was this one top or bottom? Right, that is coolant hose number 1. Waarom is deze niet mooi voorgebogen? Nou, hier zit een dikke knik in, hè? Is this even the right hose? Well, shit. We ordered the wrong one.
It's a turbo and non-turbo.
Yeah.
But apparently it's for a turbo 850 and other models non-turbo.
Yeah. So we're gonna put the old one back, order a new one for that, and replace it somewhere in the coming weeks. Too bad. Then it's time for the new water pump. I got a new seal for you. One water pump.
Exactly the same shape as the gasket.
Really?
Don't throw off the belt, don't make noise, just do what you're supposed to do. Please.
Water pump bolts 20 Newton meters. Alright, the time has come to reveal our new head. Wow.
So shiny.
That is one nice head.
He gave the camshafts a clean as well.
Ah, he did. He did a nice job.
Camshaft seals.
These are the exhaust manifolds.
Intake manifold.
There you go.
Coolant pipe things. What are these? No idea. Hey, are those the injector things? Thermostat housing. Throttle body. Some more camshaft seals. And then the daddy of all gaskets.
Let me touch it. Whoa. Is this really happening? Final clean will be done with some acetone. Now the final preparation. Bit of oil in the cylinders. I hope yeah, we spent about 4 hours on that block and some pieces around it cleaning it, so hopefully that was good enough. Alright, and with the new gasket, it is happening.
I find it strange. We only have one center thing because that.
So we are missing one of those rings. I don't know what they are called, but so we drove back to the shop which overhauled our head to see if it was still there somewhere, but they couldn't find it, so we don't know if we lost it, probably, but they did have a spare part for us, but it is 2 millimeters too long, I think.
7.5.
So say 7, we got a little room, and in the other hole it is
6.
6. So that's 13. This thing is
Almost 14.
so we're gonna have to take a little off.
Yeah.
Alright. Right, that is cut the shape. Let's try that again. That makes much more sense.
Nice. Let's clean the bottom side of the head. Some acetone and then put it on.
Alright, head incoming. Ready?
3, 2, 1. Zo is er iets ingezakt.
I think that's it. It is aligned, I think. Yeah, exhaust is in. Yeah, that's it. Well,
Really?
I think, yeah, that's it. I think it's in. It's aligned. The exhaust is aligned. Yeah, I think that should be it. Okay, so we're gonna have to take it out again. We forgot the exhaust manifold gaskets. Ha! So new head bolts. Yeah, we read somewhere we should have put a little bit of oil on there. Okay, just finger tight for the moment. I hope this all works. So now there is a very specific order to do this. We got Haynes, so that's good news. What's step 1?
Cylinder head lower section to block. 20 Newton, 60 Newton, 130 degrees.
So now we're gonna go for 60 Newton meters. Alright, that's all of those.
Yes.
Now 130 degrees. We bought a tool for that. The Graden Circle Scythe.
That's 130.
Good. Right, last one. Then that head should be on there. 90, 100. 110, 120, 130. That's that.
The head is bolted down.
Yeah, nothing more we can do now. If it starts leaking, we'll just have to do it again. Right, and that is all we could do today. Yeah, tomorrow, hopefully finish it up. If not, we got another day. But for now, today, we're done. The head is back in, bolted down. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you the next time.
Doei!